Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of Calm app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Calm app and you can click on Calm like this. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. And here you can go to Play Store and then you can update your app to fix that problem.